took our truck, we jacked it up. We got it sitting on the jack stand and a jack right now. I took the front wheel off, and this is what we're gonna try to do on this Tundra instead of like a Tacoma. I'm gonna try, I got an idea. I'm gonna try to take this sway bar end link loose down here at the bottom on both sides. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna loosen up inside of here, control arm bolts. I'm not gonna take them off. I'm just gonna loosen them up, and then I'm gonna mark it on the front and on the back where it's at now. This thing's gonna have to have an alignment afterwards anyway. I just wanna get it back close. So I'm gonna loosen all that up, and then I'm gonna take the two big bolts right under here, right on the bottom of this ball joint. There's two big bolts, this one and this one. So I'm gonna loosen those up and let that bottom control arm just swing down out of the way. And all we should have to do is take the big bolt out here for the strut. The control arm swings right out of the way, and then I can loosen up these 4 bolts on top. And you notice this truck's already got a leveling kit up front. So we're gonna take that out, we're gonna put in the lift kit. So this was just a little block for a little bit of a level on the front. Somebody else put in, but we're gonna take these 4 loose. We'll get that out, we'll put our new block in, and we'll be good as new with this side. Maybe it'll go really quick. I hope so. I did yesterday spend a little bit of time spraying some PB Blaster on some of these bolts and nuts to make it easier for us. So let's stop talking, let's start working. Alrighty guys, man, we made quick work of that. We work on Tacomas all the time, and Tacomas are pretty easy. It's not that this Tundra's not pretty easy. Everything's going really, really good. But these dang bolts in this truck are massive. I mean, they are massive. But if you check out the strut right here, there is an arrow right there that points out. So when we put our block on, there's a little dot right there. It's gonna line up with the arrow right here and let the block just fall right down on. But we just gotta remember when we put it back on that the dot is gonna face the outside. And since we put our block on, we're also gonna have to twist this strut 1/8 of a turn to line it back up. It's not that big a deal. So let's go ahead, and we're gonna go ahead and put the bolts back in it. We're gonna get it shoved back in here, get everything started. We're gonna get it done.